Hi guys, and welcome to the competition for AI callings. Now, I've been telling you about this bonus that I have for AI callings for the last few weeks. Lots and lots of people excited about this, to say the least. Now, in the competition, you can win a front-end copy of AI callings and a front-end copy of my bonus. Now, if you're not lucky enough to win, just check out the link below. It'll take you across to my bonus page where you can watch the replay from AI Callings webinar when it goes live, and you can also lock in my bonus for AI Callings as well. Okay, so very exciting bonus. Lots and lots of people are really looking forward to this. Now remember, if you're not lucky enough to win, just check out that link. But without further ado, let's get on with the competition. So pick a winner. So I'm going to choose from all comments. So good luck to everyone. If you're lucky enough to win, congratulations. If you're not lucky enough to win, make sure they check out my description below. You'll see a link across to my bonus page. So good luck to everyone. So here we go. I'm going to pick the winner. And the winner is Chuck Dolan. So looks like another awesome product, Richard. Can't wait to get on the call tomorrow. Thank you. So congratulations, Chuck. Just open a support ticket and we'll get you set up with everything you need. Now remember, make sure that you check out my description below because no one will beat my bonus for AI callings. So thanks for watching and watch out for the next video.